What if your self-care routine in just about skincare? Pero may iniinom ka rin. Recently, I've been trying this pure and organic mixed berries powder and here's my experience. Naghahanap ako ng easy drink na pwede kong idagdag sa everyday wellness routine ko. Powdered berry drink siya na mabilis lang i-prepare. Just mix it with water or milk and ready na in less than a minute. Open one sachet, ibuhos sa glass, then add around 250 to 350 ml of water. Personally, mas gusto ko siyang i-chilled kasi mas refreshing at mas light berry juice ang lasa. Ang gusto ko dito, hindi siya sobrang matamis. Fruity yung flavor, light lang, at madaling inumin. Especially kung hindi ka mahilig sa super sweet na wellness drink. Aside from berries, meron din itong nutrients like vitamin A and C which play a role in supporting normal collagen production and overall skin health as part of balanced diet. May fiber din ito which can help support digestion and regular bowel movements. Hindi naman ako nagising kinabukasan na biglang glowing ang skin ko. But, after making a part of my routine, napansin kong mas hydrated ang pakiramdam ko at may mga mornings na mas fresh looking ako. For me, feeling good from the inside is also a part of taking care of myself. If you're looking for an easy berry drink to add to, just remember no drink can replace good sleep, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a consistent skincare routine.